Alright, what's up, y'all? I just wanted to talk about, I put on my social media yesterday. Was it yesterday, the day before yesterday? Was it yesterday? Yeah, I sold most of my Bitcoin. Um, so I guess the question of that would be why. Really, for one, I didn't sell it because I think it's about to, crash and be over, and it's a super scam or nothing. Because remember, that's not why I even bought it to begin with. However, I'm not gonna be ignorant like it still ain't behaving like a stock or something like that, at least in comparison to the dollar. And I've been buying it ever since a little bit before I first started talking about it with y'all. So it was around $3,000 at that point in time. I bought some more around 7, bought some more around 9, and bought a little bit more when it was like around 10 something. So it was up at I sold it for 15. And so for one, that was just like a crazy flip. For two, it's like a pattern I'm seeing. What happens is I have to probably do like a on-screen thing so you can actually see it. So try to follow me as I explain it though. So on the chart, you will see it'll have the price of the whatever the security is. So the price of Bitcoin. And then at the bottom, it'll have what you would call, you'll call the volume, and it'll be how many shares. For stocks, it'll be how many shares, but for Bitcoin, it'll be how many units of Bitcoin is being traded at a particular time within that time period, right? So this was at the daily and the weekly chart, really monthly too. So this is what you would call a topping pattern, right? You'll see the price shoot up in a short amount of time, and then at the bottom you see the volume shooting up with it, and then after a while the price won't go up as much, if at all, or sometimes it even comes down, but the volume will be just as high, if not still going higher. That indicates that a lot of people are still interested in it and are trying to buy it. However, it's a significant amount of people who are no longer interested. Now, sometimes these people are more informed. Sometimes they're just trying to lock in their money, like I did. We don't know. And so, like I said, I'm not saying that this is an indication that it's about to fall. As a matter of fact, it's a little higher than what I sold it for yesterday. But to me, the momentum slowed down. So we have that coupled with, and then plus, thing about Bitcoin, it's not like a stock. So if it was a stock, I could say with much more confidence, hold on to it because I know it's a good company. They make free cash flow. They got little debt, things like that. Or I know this is happening. Or I know that free cash flow is slowing down and it's being confirmed on this price chart. Bitcoin, the only thing that we can go off of is what it is, which is a cryptocurrency, which is new within itself, so we kind of can't even really go off that with a whole bunch of confidence. And what you would call technical analysis or behavior of the price charts. So what I do is I'm interpreting people's emotions by looking at the price chart. And like I said, I'm probably do an on-screen tutorial so you can really see exactly what I'm looking at. But usually when you see the price just shoot up, and it's a whole bunch of volume at the bottom, which means there's a whole bunch of people, it's going up with it, and then the price kind of gets stagnant and it's not going up as high, and sometimes it's coming back down, but that volume is still high, if not higher than before. That's usually a sign that things ain't as well as it was. Now, it could just be profit taking, and if it's only profit taking, there's a good chance that it'll continue to shoot up again moving forward. Or it could be the end. It could be more informed people selling at the top. And what's another indication if it's informed people selling at the top because they know it's about to fall? Usually a lot of good news will be happening as the price is going up. That's going to get all your what you would call retail traders, which is probably most of the people that has to deal with Bitcoin. A lot of people who's dealing with Bitcoin they never invested before in their life. That alone kind of gives you, we don't know what could be really going on. Because, like, I ain't gonna lie to you, in the back of my mind, it feels like a very, very, very elaborate marketing campaign with Bitcoin. But everything that I know about it, you know, it seems to make sense. It's one of those kind of like too good to be true type of things. But just because it's too good to be true doesn't make it false. It makes it extremely rare. And this could be just that one rare thing that was too good to be true that happened in a lifetime as far as the markets is concerned. So I don't know. You know, judging from everything I read, that seems to be the case. But at the end of the day, it was more factors indicating that at the very least, momentum has slowed down. I was already up quite a bit, so I decided to take a lot of my profits back, and I pretty much left the principal in there. And in the event that Bitcoin comes down a substantial amount, perhaps I'll buy back in. You know, but right now I'm just wait and see mode. Like I said, I ain't saying it's doomsday or nothing like that. It's just a period of uncertainty where more things felt like the price will either be still or go down more than continue to go up. Doesn't mean that's necessarily gonna play out that way. Who knows? I could be wrong. It might be $42,000 by Christmas. I don't know. I could just go off of what my gut instinct tells me and the knowledge that I do have. When all I can go off of really is just the price chart. I already know what it is as far as a cryptocurrency, at least the best way that I can for now. And you know, I can't look at like the price to earnings ratio or nothing like that because it's not a stock. So that's my reason for that. You know, and I took some of that and I bought some more call options in a particular company. If you're on my email list, you already know what that company is. If you want to know what that stock is, hit me up, shoot me an email, and I'll send you what I sent the people who follow me already. I already sent them the report and my reasons for buying it, my thought process. It's a speculative trade though as well, kind of like the last one I did. It's not an investment, if you will. It's a speculative, high risk, high reward type of trade. So, if you're interested in that, shoot me an email. newblackwallstreet.com. Follow me on all my social medias, Blaqamore, without a C, without a K, just a Q. And I'll check y'all on the next one.